Good morning students, hope you are doing well. So in this video we are going to discuss how you are going to qualify the December 2025 examination. I will share with you the exact strategy you should be working right now. In the last video I have told you कि British और literary theory पे focus करना start कर दो, otherwise आपके लिए मुश्किल हो जाएगा qualify करना. And in this video I will take you to the computer screen. First we will discuss the UGC NET English 2025 question paper and then we will also discuss about the pattern कि 2-3 साल 4 साल से कैसे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा रहे हैं. ओके, सो 2025 यूजीसी नेट इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में रीडिंग कॉम्प्रीहेंशन से सॉर्ट ऑफ 4 क्वेश्चंस आए थे. यू कैन से पोएट्री वाज 4+4 यूजिंग 8 क्वेश्चंस और एटलीस्ट 10 क्वेश्चंस दैट कम फ्रॉम पोएट्री सेक्शन. सो वी आर क्रिएटिंग पोएट्री stanzas on our mobile application Limitless Literature for the students who have subscribed to our course. Like we are going to provide at least 50 stanzas for the students to prepare poetry section so they can start practicing the poetry stanzas and they can get this free marks. Okay, then we have chronological order, 12 questions match the list, 14 questions came from here, and then we have statements, direct statement questions came, 19 questions came from here, direct facts 40 questions came as the direct facts. I'm talking about 2025 UGC NET English Literature question paper. Now look at the reoccurring pattern what we are seeing in all these competitive exams in related to English literature. So here we have Jack Derrida which leads with 4 questions. Yes, 4 क्वेश्चंस में कहीं ना कहीं जैक डेरिडा ऑप्शंस में थे. सो इफ़ यू हैव नॉट स्टडीड जैक डेरिडा अंटिल नाउ, प्लीज़ मेक श्योर दैट यू आर गोइंग थ्रू इन डेप्थ नॉलेज ऑफ जैक डेरिडा. मिखेल बख्तिन से 2 क्वेश्चन कहीं ना कहीं पे ऑप्शंस में प्रेजेंट थे. आइए रिचर्ड्स 2 क्वेश्चंस में प्रेजेंट थे. गायत्री स्पीवक एंड रेमंड विलियम्स दे ऑल वर प्रेजेंट इन 2 क्वेश्चंस. सो इफ़ यू हैव टू स्टडी लिटरेरी थ्योरी, मेक श्योर दैट यू आर स्टडिंग इन डेप्थ. अब इसमें ये मत पूछना सर इसमें क्या स्टडी करना है, इसमें सब कुछ स्टडी करना है. अगर ये आप नहीं स्टडी कर रहे तो डू नॉट एक्सपेक्ट दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट गुड मार्क्स. ओके, 10 to 15 key theorists can secure you 20 plus marks. Yes, you have to make sure that you are studying all the 10 to 15 key theorists if you really want to score a maximum marks in the December 2025 examination. Feminist criticism से 5 questions लगभग आते हैं. पिछली बार से वर्जीनिया वुल्फ, साइमन डी बोवेयर और मैरी वुल्सनक्राफ्ट they were asking, but now they have started asking different you can say feminist writer and feminist famous quotes. They are asking from different feminist writer. They're asking only titles, like they can ask you who has written the female eunuch. So they are asking that sort of questions from other feminist writer, and of course they are asking the basic theoretical concepts of other theoretical feminist writers. So make sure कि आप फेमिनिज्म को अच्छे से स्टडी करके जाओ. फेमिनिज्म स्टडी नहीं करोगे तो ये 5 क्वेश्चंस जाएंगे, दैट मीन्स 10 मार्क्स. सो 5 क्वेश्चंस इज इक्वल टू 3%. समझ रहे हो आप, 2 से 3% होते हैं. अगर आप फेमिनिज्म नहीं स्टडी करोगे 2 से 3% यू आर गेटिंग लेस marks in your examination. Okay, post colonial guarantees 4 plus questions. Yes, post colonial literature के अंदर at least 10 to 15 writers, and if you are not studying these 10 to 15 writers then you are losing a lot of your marks. Edward Said we are seeing a recurring theme है, recurring orientalism. They are asking Homi Bhabha's concept again and again and again in the last 3 years, in the last 4 years. What I am looking at the question paper and telling you about all these things. Structuralism and post structuralism से हर साल 6 क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं. फर्डिनेंड द शोर को इम्पोर्टेंट समझ के स्टडी करो. अब इसमें ये मत पूछना कि सर क्या नहीं स्टडी करना है, सब कुछ स्टडी करना है. फर्डिनेंड द शोर में, जैक डेरिडा में सब कुछ स्टडी करना है. इवन इफ यू डू नॉट फाइंड द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस, यू आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू फाइंड दीज राइटर्स इन द ऑप्शंस. यस, you are definitely going to find these writers in the options even if you do not find the direct questions from here. Ferdinand de Saussure से इस बार we have already discussed the speech circuit. We have created videos on Ferdinand de Saussure, Jack Derrida. We are creating videos on Roland Barthes, Michael Foucault. टफ टॉपिक्स को पढ़ने की आदत डालो. ये क्या आसान टॉपिक पढ़ रहे हो, मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा है. why you are doing all these things? Make sure that you are studying the tough topics, the debate, the intellectual debate between Roland Barthes and Michael Foucault. What is an author, and Roland Barthes, death of the author, we have just discussed in the last video. If you are not watching those videos, then you are again losing a lot of your marks, because we are providing the same premium content the way I used to teach in the batch, I am providing the same premium content over here on YouTube for free of course, and you should be taking full advantage of it so that you can have maximum marks in the December attempt. Then every third year ऑब्सक्योर ऑथर आ रहे हैं. ओके, आप पूछते हो सर ऑब्सक्योर ऑथर में क्या पढ़ना है, ये ऑथर कहाँ से पूछ लिया, हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर दिस ऑथर, वी हैव नेवर हर्ड अबाउट दिस ऑथर. But then it is a test of elimination skills. It is not the test of your deep knowledge. Every year students qualify the examination. 2000 students also qualified UGC NET English Literature. You need to take responsibility of qualifying the examination to understand where you are going wrong. Figures of speech में से आपके questions गलत हो रहे हैं तो वो आपकी मिस्टेक है. 2 से 3 questions आपके हर साल आ रहे हैं, हर examination में आ रहे हैं, तो why are you not making figures of speech your commanding topic? फिगर्स ऑफ स्पीच में से क्यों क्वेश्चंस गलत हो रहे हैं, एमएलए स्टाइल ऑफ रेफरेंसिंग में से क्यों क्वेश्चंस गलत हो रहे हैं. लर्न दीज थिंग्स बिकॉज दीज आर द प्रूफ दैट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस. यू सी एमएलए स्टाइल ऑफ रेफरेंसिंग, 2 questions every time they are asking why MLA of referencing style is getting wrong in your examination question paper. So you have to learn about all these things. You have to learn about your weaknesses. कहाँ पे मैं अपनी weaknesses को change करता हूँ and to make it my strong point. If you are getting less marks in MLA style of referencing, make sure that you make this topic your strength so that you will get 2 questions right in the examination. That is approximately 2% or at least 1.5% increment in your overall score. Then we have authors. You need to start clustering authors by their birth decades. ठीक है, वर्जीनिया वुल्फ की स्पेसिफिक बर्थ डेट नहीं याद रखनी, like when she was born. Specific you don't have to remember when T.S. Eliot was born. You have to remember 10-10 साल के बीच में in every 10 years you have to cluster all the authors so that you can remember the dates of all these authors. Like 1880s to 1890s, these 2 writers were born. In 1890s to 2000s, these 2 writers were born. Of course there will be a lot of other authors that are born between 1890s to 2000s, so 1890s to 1900. So you have to create the list of all those writers who are born in 1890s. Okay, Victorian novelists, for example, 1810 to 1820s. In these 10 years, based on the birth decade, you have to start forming your chronological questions. Charles Dickens born in 1812, Charles Bronte 1816, Emily Bronte 1818. No specific dates you have to remember. You have to remember the decades where they are getting born. Okay, then we have British literature, Victorian और modernism से ही questions पूछे जा रहे हैं. So make sure that you are putting more efforts on Victorian and modernism. Leave low weight topics for now. Yes, for the last you can study them 1 month before the examination. American और world literature के पीछे अभी मत भागो because they are asking only 2-3 questions. Even if they ask 5 questions from American literature and world literature, that is again something which is not equal to literary theory because they are asking 37 questions from literary theory. Then we have literary movement. अगर इनमें से questions गलत हो रहे हैं literary movement से, then it's your mistake. Make sure that you are studying literary movement. 2 questions annually they are asking. But then again, if you want me to help you to qualify the December 2025 examination, then you must be subscribing to Limitless Literature batch. You will be getting 300 plus video lectures, PDF notes on these lectures, then 9 booklets hard copy that will be shipped to your address, and then we have one-to-one guidance on Zoom meeting. I will be letting you know how to prepare for the examination. You have to be very specific, laser like focus की तरह सही जगह efforts डालने हैं. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि कुछ भी पढ़ने बैठ जाओ and you start trying to figure out कि ये इसमें से deep question आ सकता है, इसमें से deep question आ सकता है. No, the deep questions will come from the previous year topics. You have to figure it out. Students are already qualifying it and you have to take the responsibility. You have to build some habit of developing reading habit. Of course comprehension थोड़ा आना चाहिए because a lot of students I am finding they are not even able to decode what is there in the question. The question is simple but they are not able to understand what is the question, but they are asking the question because the language of the questions are complex to understand, but the meaning, the core fundamental things are very easy. If you just figure it out what is there in the question, then you can easily answer that particular question. Okay, so these are our things, but still I will be creating more videos helping you over here on YouTube. Do not worry if you even do not get to the subscription of Limitless Literature. I will be always available here. Do let me know your views in the comment section below. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, and of course like this video, so that I will be keep on creating more such videos for you in the future. I will see you soon in the next video. That's it for this. Thank you.